Oh my god. It's like a crime scene in here. What have I done? Welcome back to the channel. What is happening? Let's see. It is Sunday night, Monday morning-ish, I guess. This motor is going to be coming off of this engine stand, hopefully, in this video. I do need to get to the rear main seal, and I don't want to have to try to, you know, I'd rather just build it, work with it straight on. And also, that works out because this transmission is coming off the motor today, and this motor needs to be put on the engine stand so I can do its oil pan studs as well, because the gasket on that was brand new after I did the swap and it was still leaking. So I'm just going to go ahead and replace everything with studs and do all the proper torque specs on that, and then if that doesn't work, you're going to see a Civic Wagon project for sale, man. I'm tired of these oil pan gaskets leaking. Like, after you do so much work on a car, everything's butter, and then you're just leaving like $50 size oil puddles every time you park. It is not fun. It is super annoying. So just for once in my entire time owning this car, I would like to not have any oil leaks. So yeah, anyways, enough of that rant. Yeah. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, I'm going to do the intermediate shaft on here. I'll probably figure out some other things as I go along. But yeah, ain't nothing left to it but to do it. Alright, so I got my intermediate shaft bolts right here. If you want to get the part number. Then I got my intermediate shaft off of a DA Integra. Bought that off eBay. It's going to be a 14. Alright. It's kind of got a little bit of play to it. Actually, it's got a lot of bit of play. But this part goes into the transmission, so hopefully it's not a big deal. It looks like I gotta bend out this dust shield right here. I didn't see that before. Kind of banged up. Alright, I'm gonna look up the torque spec on these and I'll be right back. Alright, so according to the book, you torque these down to 29 foot-pounds of torque. There we go. Might as well pop on our new oil filter while we got this chilling over here. Hopefully there's no more oil in here. Wet. That brand newy. Alright, so I'm going to kind of go on off into a different swap here, but I just need to take off all the bolts around this transmission and get this transmission off. And then I think I should be able to get this B20 taken back off of the stand, and then get this one on there. And I gotta go to the store and get blue Loctite before I can even do this job. So I'll probably try to find more to do on this engine over here as soon as I get this transmission off. God dang it, Bobby. I keep that thing on me.
Three hours later.
Ugh, Jesus Christ. Oh man. So that was a lot harder than I'm used to, but I'm also working at like almost 3 a.m. and maybe I didn't do this the smartest way. But we got the separation done. I can move this motor back over onto the dolly a little better. And then think I'll just do this other part tomorrow because I'm pretty winded. Sheesh. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Gross. So I decided I'm just gonna call it a night because it is already like 2:30. I got some stuff done today. I guess I can't say it wasn't productive, but I am gonna try to call it a night so I can hopefully go to sleep before like 4 or 5 a.m. for a change, and maybe get started on stuff during the daytime like a normal person. So that's gonna do it for this video. Next up, hopefully this will be on the jacks or on the engine stand. I'm contemplating buying another engine stand just because I am gonna have a lot of stuff going on, and I figure it might just be worthwhile to just have 2 of them. But yeah, so oil pan studs on that, main seal on this, and I'll probably get into the motor mounts a little bit, and I'll definitely throw on the flywheel and the clutch. So next video is going to be a good one. Thanks for watching, folks. Stay tuned. Hopefully I'll have an update for you tomorrow. Peace out. What are you doing? Come on, go back inside. Go. Go. Bzz. Chip chip, I swear to God. Like that. Oh, you're so cute. You're just curious, tunk tunk.